Truck accidents are some of the most catastrophic and life-threatening incidents on the road. But did you know that many of these accidents can be prevented with the right knowledge? In this video, we will take a deep dive into truck accident, what causes them and consequences, and how to reduce your risk, whether you are driving a truck or sharing the road with one. Stay tuned because the information we cover could save lives. By the end of this video, you will understand the different types of truck accident, the common cause behind them, and essential safety tip for both truck driver and other road users. We will also discuss what to do if you have involved in a truck accident and how to handle the aftermath. If you are a truck driver, a commuter, or just someone looking to stay safe on the road, this video is packed with useful insights. Type of truck accident. Let's start by looking at the different type of truck accident. Truck crash come in all shapes and size, and understanding these types is crucial to preventing them. First is jackknife accident. A jackknife accident happens when the trailer of the truck swings out and forms a 90-degree angle with the cab. This usually occurs when the truck driver brakes suddenly or loses control. These accidents are particularly dangerous because they can block multiple lanes and cause pile-ups. Second is rear end collision. Rear end truck accidents are common, especially on highway. A truck longer a stopping distance make it more difficult to avoid rear ending another vehicles. These types of accident can result in several injuries to passengers in a smaller vehicles and even fatalities. Third is tire blowouts. Tire blowouts on truck are a serious hazard, especially for large commercial vehicles. When a tire blows, the driver can lose control of the vehicles, potentially causing a crash. Tire blowout are often caused by poor maintenance, underinflated tires, or expensive speed. Fourth is underride accident. An underride accident occurs when a smaller vehicle crashed into the rear or side of a truck and slides underneath it. These accidents are especially dangerous for the passenger of smaller vehicles as they often result in fatal injuries. Underride protection devices are required by law to prevent this type of accident, but they are not always properly maintained. 5 is wide turn accident. Truck have large turning radii, and when a truck driver make a wide turn, they make inadvertently hit other vehicles or pedestrians. These accidents usually occur in urban environments with narrow streets and heavy traffic. Second is common cause of truck accident. Next, let's talk about the most common cause of truck accident. Many of these can be avoided with the right precaution, whether it is proper maintained safe driving habits, or improved awareness. First is driver fatigue. Fatigue is one of the leading cause of truck accident. Truck driver often work long hours and drawn signs can significantly impair reaction time and decision making ability. Truck drivers should take regular rest break and adhere to hours of service regulation to ensure they get enough sleep. Second is a speeding. A speeding is another major contributor to truck accident. Large truck require longer distance to a stop and are harder to maneuver at high speed. Always follow the speed limit and adjust your speed based on weather, road condition and traffic follow. Third is distracted driving. Distracted driving is dangerous for all drivers, but especially for truck drivers who need to maintain full attention on the road due to the size of their vehicles. Common distractions including texting, talking on the phone, and interacting with in-cab technologies. Avoid dis- distraction while driving and ensure that all in-cab technologies are set before starting the journey. Fourth is poor vehicle maintenance. Trucks are complex machines that require regular maintenance. Worn out brakes, blade tires, and fault lights can increase the risk of an accident. Regular vehicle inspection and timely repair are crucial to keeping a truck in safe operating condition. Fifth is weather condition. Weather condition, including rain, fog, snow, and ice road, can make driving condition dangerous for trucks. The weight of a truck can make it harder to control in adverse weathers. In poor weather, truck drivers should reduce their speed, increase their following distance, and stay alert to changing road conditions. Six is impaired driving. Driving under the influence of alcohol or drug is not only illegal but can also have deadly consequences. Even over the control medication and impaired driving abilities. Drivers should never operate their vehicle under the influence of alcohol, drug, or medication that impair their judgment or reaction time. Truck accident prevention tip. Now that we have covered the cause of truck accident, let's talk about how to prevent them. Whether you are a truck driver or simply sharing the road with trucks, these tips can significantly reduce the risk of a crash. First, for truck drivers, take regular breaks. Fatigue can set in quickly, especially on long trip. Always adhere to rest period regulation and get adequate step. Inspect your vehicles. Perform pre-trip inspection and address any issue before hitting the road. Check tire pressure, brake, light, and other important system. Avoid distracted driving. Put away your phone and avoid any distraction that could take your focus off the road. Drive defensively. Always be aware of other drivers around you. Watch for sudden lane change and unpredictable movement from a smaller vehicle. In inclement weather, slow down, increase your following distance, and stay alert for hazards like ice or flooded roads. Second is for other road users. Keep a safe distance. Always give trucks penalty of a space, especially when following them. A truck's longer a stopping distance means you need more space to avoid a rear end collision. Don't wavy around trucks. Trucks have large blind spot. Avoid driving in these areas, especially on highway. Be careful at intersections. Truck make wide turns and cannot always see you. Always wait for them to complete their turn before crossing their path. Stay visible. If you are driving a smaller vehicles, make sure you are visible to truck drivers, especially when passing or merging. What to do after a truck accident? In the unfortunate event that you are involved in a truck accident, knowing what to do can make a huge difference. First is check for injuries. First, assess yourself and other for injuries. If anyone is seriously hurt, call emergency service immediately. Second is call the authority. Always call the police after a car accident, a truck accident, especially if it involves serious damage or injuries. They will create an accident report that will be helpful for insurance and legal matters. Gather information. Exchange information with the truck driver, including names, license number, and insurance detail. Also, gather contact information from any witness. Fourth is document the scene. Take photo of the scene, any visible damage, and road condition. If possible, take videos, photos, as this can be crucial for our insurance claim. Fifth is contact your insurance company. Report the accident to your insurance company as soon as possible. Be honest and provide them with all the detail you have gathered. To summarize, we have covered the various type of truck accident, the cause behind them, and the most important safety practice for both truck driver and other road users. By following these guidelines, you can gather reduce your risk of being involved in a truck accident. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips. Remember, safety comes first whether you are driving a truck or simply sharing the road with ones.